my God! They killed Kenny! You bastard!
Let's all just make our way back to our seats.
My leg!
Oh my God! They killed Kenny! You bastards!
My leg!
Gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song.
Oh my God! They killed Kenny! You bastards!
R-E-S-O-N-G song. And if you don't think that we
My
can
leg!
sing it faster than
let's
you're
get
wrong.
Kenny.
But it'll
Faster.
help if you just sing along.
Kenny, watch out!
See
My
Oh
leg!
my God! They killed Kenny! You bastards!
My leg!
if you just sing along.
Oh my God! They killed Kenny! You bastards! This says maximum.
My leg!
Oh my God! We've killed Kenny! We're bastards! Mod Pit!
My leg!
Oh my God! They killed Kenny! You bastards!
The campfire song.
My leg!
Oh my God! They killed Kenny! You bastards!
Sing our campfire song.
My leg!
Oh my God! They killed Kenny!
Think that we can sing it faster than you're
What?
wrong. But
I'm not
it'll
talking to you.
help if you
My leg!
Oh my God! Ozzy Osbourne bit Kenny's head off! You bastard!
Look out! He's got a white flag!
My leg!
Oh my God, they killed the little orange coat kid.
You bastard! Jesus Christ! Look out!
My leg!
Oh my God! They killed Kenny! You got...
Okay, Benny. So in order for our long-distance relationship to work, we'll have to call each other every other day.
My leg!
I call this one.
Oh my God! They killed Kenny! You bastard!
Campfire and sing our campfire
Oh, where you gonna go, Kenny? You gonna see your little girlfriend again? Dude, you spend way too much time with that girl. If you don't...
My leg!
And if you don't think that we can sing it faster than you're wrong.
Oh my God!
but
They
it'll
killed Kenny!
help
You
if
bastard!
just